Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things cryptocurrency. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to buy, sell, or trade digital currencies. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how these platforms work is essential. So, what exactly is a cryptocurrency exchange, and how do you use one? Let's break it down. At its core, a cryptocurrency exchange is an online platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Think of it as the digital equivalent of a stock exchange, but instead of trading shares of companies, you're trading digital currencies. There are two main types of cryptocurrency exchanges: centralized exchanges (CEX) and decentralized exchanges (DEX). Let's start with centralized exchanges, or CEX for short. A centralized exchange is operated by a company that acts as a middleman between buyers and sellers. Popular examples include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. On these platforms, you create an account, deposit funds, whether it's cryptocurrency or fiat money like dollars or euros, and start trading. The exchange manages the order book, matches buyers with sellers, and takes a small fee for each transaction. Centralized exchanges are user-friendly, offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and often provide additional services like margin trading, futures, and staking. However, because they're managed by a central entity, they're also more vulnerable to hacks and regulatory scrutiny. That's where decentralized exchanges come into play. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, operates without a central authority. Instead, it uses smart contracts, self-executing pieces of code on a blockchain to facilitate peer-to-peer trading. On a DEX, you remain in control of your funds at all times, which can offer greater security. Popular DEX include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. Using a DEX typically requires a bit more technical know-how, as you'll need to connect a cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask to the platform. But for those concerned about privacy and security, DEX can be an excellent choice. Just keep in mind that trading on a DEX might have higher fees, and liquidity, meaning how easily you can buy or sell an asset, can vary. So, which one should you use? It really depends on your needs and comfort level. Centralized exchanges are great for beginners due to their ease of use and extensive support. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, are ideal for those who prioritize security and control over their assets. To sum it up, cryptocurrency exchanges are the gateways to the world of digital currencies. They provide the tools and infrastructure you need to buy, sell, and trade assets. Whether you choose a centralized or decentralized exchange, understanding how they work is crucial to your success in the crypto space. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insights and tutorials on cryptocurrency trading. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll get to them in a future video. Until then, trade wisely.